Hi, welcome back to Westport Marina in beautiful Sydney. One of the things I love about our listings is that each boat has an amazing story. And this boat is a Riva 42 that is not going to disappoint in the story department. So come on aboard and have a look. So this boat was ordered direct from the Italian factory by her original owner, Mr. Griffith Sr. And that name may sound familiar to her because, of course, he ended up buying the Canucks. This boat was built to entertain and no expense was spared. Just look at the beautiful lines, the curved glass, the teak. This boat has it all, and she just screams 1970. She's been restored to perfection from everything from light fixtures, the taps, everything are in mint condition. So come on board. We're going to take a step back in time. Welcome aboard, Misty. So Misty was built to entertain, and entertain she does. Check out this fantastic aft deck space. Beautiful teak, straight from the factory in the 1970s. All of this is protected by a brand new aft enclosure that covers this deck. And come on inside, and this is where the magic really happens. Come on in. So take a step back in time. It was 1974. You had the yacht in the West Vancouver Yacht Club. And if these walls could talk about who had been on board during that time, I'd love to see a logbook. Everywhere you look, these are original fixtures from Italy, curved glass, tons of steel, and beautiful woodwork. The theme was dark blue and wood. And I love showing this boat because it's like stepping onto something into Star Trek. Great indoor interior space for entertaining. And I'm going to take you down to the lower level. It's even cooler. Come on. So walking down the master staircase, look at the curved wood. You know me and my Beneteau-ness, my fanness. I always thought Beneteau was amazing with the curved wood, but check this out. Riva is even one step more when it comes to this. Really cool. It's a compact galley. It's got everything you need: microwave, fridge, pressurized hot and cold water, and electric cooktop. So Emily Griffiths would have picked all of the furnishings in this boat, right down to the pink stripe wallpaper. Think Brady Bunch. Pink stripe wallpaper for the kids' bathroom with pink taps. Guest cabin here with 2 bunks. The top bunk folds up so that it gives you more space. This is the master head here with the blue faucets, and of course the master cabin. Just check this out with the suede headboard. Tons of room. So Misty, although she's in the beautiful 1974 style, behind the walls, everything has been redone. New wiring, upgraded battery banks, solar panels, and best of all here is the jewelry box. 2 new Cummins 375 horsepower diesel engines installed and ready to go. They've got less than 500 hours on them. Have a look. The ultimate cruising boat. Check out these amazing sun mats for enjoying this fantastic weather. Misty's got it all, and like every boat has a surprise. I'm going to show you this one. Come check it out. Under door number 1, dun, 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 crew quarters. This is where the crew slept after serving the Griffith family. So if you'd like to view this amazing piece of BC history in person, give us a call at our sales office at Westport. And best of all, she's got assumable moorage at our beautiful marina here. Thanks for stopping by.